The Top command is an interactive process viewer with advanced features. It allows you to monitor your system's performance in real time, offering dynamic system resource visualization. You can also manage processes interactively, controlling running processes with ease. Top is also customizable, allowing you to configure the display and sorting options to suit your needs. Here are the installation instructions for Top on various operating systems. For Debian and Ubuntu, first run sudo apt update to update the package lists, then run sudo apt install Top to install the program. For Red Hat, CentOS, and Fedora, enable the extra packages for Enterprise Linux repository by running sudo yum install EPEL release, then install Top with sudo yum install Top. On Arch Linux, use the command sudo pacman-s top. For macOS, if you have Homebrew installed, simply run brew install Top. To start Top, simply type Top in your terminal. To modify the update delay, use Top-D followed by the delay in seconds, for instance, Top-D5 for a 5-second delay. To show only processes for a specific user, use Top-U username. Key features of Top include real-time central processing unit, memory, and swap usage meters. The process list provides color highlighting, making it easier to identify different processes. It also offers a tree view, showing the relationships between processes, and provides interactive process management. In the terminal, press F1 for help. Press F9 to kill a process and press F10 or Q to quit. The Top interface is divided into sections. The CPU and memory meters display real-time system resource usage. The process list provides an interactive view of all running processes. You can sort the columns by clicking on the headers. Here are some useful keyboard shortcuts for navigating and managing processes in Top. Use the up and down arrow keys to move the selection up or down. Use the left and right arrow keys to scroll horizontally. Use the page up and page down keys to move the display up or down one page. The home and end keys will jump to the first or last process in the list. Use the spacebar to tag or untag a process. Press U to untag all processes. Press K to kill the selected process. Press T to toggle the tree view. Press P to sort by CPU usage. Press M to sort by memory usage. Press F to follow a process. Press Ctrl+L to refresh the display. The function keys offer additional functionality: F1 for help, F2 for setup, F3 for search, F4 for filter, F5 for tree view, F6 for sort by, F7 to decrease the nice value, giving a process higher priority, F8 to increase the nice value, giving a process lower priority, F9 to kill a process, and F10 to quit. Top has a number of advanced features that enhance process monitoring and management. The process tree view allows you to visualize parent-child relationships between processes. To toggle between a flat list and tree view, press F5 or T. Process filtering allows you to filter processes by name, user, or other criteria. Press F4 or / to filter processes. For example, you can filter for Firefox. Process priority control lets you adjust a process's nice value directly from Top. Press F7 to decrease the nice value, giving the process higher priority, or F8 to increase the nice value, giving the process lower priority. The customizable display allows you to configure which columns to display, their order, and the color scheme. Press F2 to access the setup menu, where you can adjust columns, display options, and colors. Here are some practical examples of how to use Top to monitor and manage processes. To find resource-intensive processes, start Top, then press P to sort by central processing unit usage or M to sort by memory usage. This helps identify performance bottlenecks and troubleshoot system slowdowns. To monitor user-specific processes, use the command Top-U username. Alternatively, within Top, press U and select a username from the list. This is useful for administrators to monitor user activity or resource usage patterns. To manage runaway processes, navigate to the problematic process, press F9 to send a signal, select a signal such as 15 for SIGTERM or 9 for SIGKILL, and confirm with Enter. Note that SIGTERM is used for graceful termination before using SIGKILL. To find process relationships, press F5 to enable tree view, navigate to a parent process, and expand or collapse the tree with the plus and minus keys. This is helpful for understanding which processes spawn others and identifying process groups. Here's a comparison of Htop and Htop. Htop has interactive mouse support, while Htop does not. Htop offers vertical and horizontal scrolling, while Htop has limited scrolling capabilities. Htop has a process tree view which is absent in Htop. Htop features a color-coded interface, whereas Htop's color coding is basic. Htop displays individual central processing unit core meters, while Htop provides text-only CPU information. Htop offers a more intuitive and user-friendly interface with better visualization of system resources. It provides interactive process management with mouse support and customizable display options. Htop is best used for system troubleshooting and performance analysis, monitoring resource-intensive applications, managing processes on production servers, and performing daily system administration tasks. To learn more, refer to the Htop manual pages, the project's GitHub repository, a configuration guide, and advanced usage tutorials. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.